Hey everyone, this is Gyan, and I'm going to expand on the first tip of my developer community building series. Have a clear and consistent messaging, but specifically from a perspective of building Web3 protocols/orgs focused communities. With Web3 protocols, your mission should be tailored towards a global audience and not be restricted to a niche set of folks, unless by design, that's how the protocol works. For example, protocols that are specifically targeting some sort of enterprise companies to work with, right? They have a very specific audience that they want to work with. But otherwise, if you're a decentralized public L1, L2, L3, you should be focusing on the broader mass. A simple and clear messaging on how and why your protocol solves a particular problem is very, very important, not the extremely extravagant and elaborate tech behind the protocol. Make sure that you have a clear guideline on how your target audience can build on your protocol. This is because we are specifically talking about developer communities. For example, at Starknet, our mission is to enable builders to build on Starknet. Everything we do is consistently around this same messaging. We have built docs, we have built a book, we have Basecamp, a bunch of different offerings that helps our community to build on top of Starknet. The same principle as the first one continues here. That is, people will contribute to your community if they feel like they're also getting something in return. It could be jobs, it could be recognition for being an ambassador of this protocol, it could be funding support for building companies, it could be being able to become an entrepreneur, being able to get support from this protocol to build an idea, solve a problem, etc. Your services and offering may increase over a period of time or change even, but your pattern of approaching the developers remains the same. That is, we will help you and support you to build on top of our protocol. Consistent messaging. One of the key mistakes that I have seen protocols do is to take it all upon themselves to build global communities, which consist of smaller local communities. This is a great and ambitious mission, but obviously not possible. Therefore, protocols should leverage existing communities that are working in different local regions and work in collaboration with them to expand their presence. But more about collaboration and partnerships in the next step. Bye and see you in the next video.